Hey guys, this is Aaron Williams here at MarineMax in Clearwater, and today we're going to be walking through the 2024 Sea Ray 350 SLX. As you can see, we did equip this one with the white Mercury V10 400 horsepower engines, a brand new engine out from Mercury, and I'm really excited to walk you guys inside the boat. So here at the transom of the 350 SLX, as you can see, we have an amazing lounger back here. Really unique feature. There is storage on here, and then this whole section goes right in, revealing a big in-floor storage area that doubles as a cooler. The large transom seat does fold away, giving you a nice hard surface and protecting all your cushions. And then as we walk into the transom walkway, we do have a freshwater shower and then another in-floor storage that does also double as a cooler. And coming in, we have our battery switches located right here. So really easy as you get on the boat, you can always remember to turn on and off your battery switches. So now that we're in the cockpit of the 350 SLX, as you can see, it has an amazing seating layout. Nice area over here. It has a refrigerator, a freshwater sink, and a little storage area here that does have a drain, so you could throw some ice and champagne in there or some food that you plan on serving. And you can never have enough trash cans on a boat, keeping everything nice and tidy. Coming down here, we do have a large cooler storage area. So for those days where you're at the sandbar, you can load it up and take it onto the beach with you. We do have the option for a cockpit table back here, so that pole would go right inside there, really making this a nice, entertaining area. Large in-floor storage, and then two double seats up here so you can be forward-facing. And then that brings us up to the helm. So as you can see, we have all of our switches here, our fusion head unit, controller, and then two SIMRAD screens. Now, you can also control all of the boat's lighting functions through the screen here and see all your engine data. And with this being a dual engine boat, as you can see, we have our Mercury joystick and our throttles. Now, coming forward, really cool feature on this 350 is you do get a cabin area. So down inside there, if you need to get out of the sun, put the kiddos away for a little bit, or just extend your day out on the water, you have that option. And then on this side, right behind the helm, is going to be your large head area with freshwater sink, overhead discharge. Now, coming up to the bow area, as you can see, really large sun pads up here. These cushions are removable to reveal a table. So if you wanted to have, bow dining area. And then another cooler stowed away up front here. So you don't have to go all the way to that aft of the boat to go grab a nice cold drink. And then we have our windlass anchoring system with a remote, and there is a freshwater shower here so you can rinse it off as it comes up. So if you would like to come see this boat in person, my name is Aaron Williams, and we're at MarineMax in Clearwater.